You don't make any money with noise.
It's that junk, or, in the dealerships when you're doing, say, working in the service department, we call them junk phone calls, right?
Well, I think that's a big part of it too. And again, you can look at it in many ways. And we talk about process all the time. I'm a process freak. So if there's noise from a ownership standpoint, you probably have a process problem. Everything about your processes should be driving you toward what your ultimate goal is, whatever that happens to be. Somewhere along the way, your process is broken and it's creating this static, this noise over here.
Yeah.